Hello everyone, welcome to web development training. This is Tabrez. In this video I'll show you how you can create your own ASP.NET website. For creating a ASP.NET website, you just have one requirement. You must have to install a Visual Studio on your computer. You can use or you can install any version of the Visual Studio 2013, 2010, 2015, 17, and I prefer to use Visual Studio 2017 because it is come with all new features, and the community version of 2017 is also available. The community version means you can use the Visual Studio without paying anything to Microsoft. Means it is free for the single developers. You can create your own web application or desktop application, any type of application using community version. So let's get started, and you first have to open up Visual Studio on your computer. And after opening, you got this start page. If you are opening the Visual Studio the first time, it is always set up as a start page. And then here in the right section you see new project. New project. Under the new project section you find create new project. There's two options to create a new project in Visual Studio. From here you can create your new project, or from file, new and project. Both are same. So click on create new project. Then the project template dialog will appear on the screen like this. And when you are creating a ASP.NET web application or ASP.NET website, you just have to come on the install template, and then Visual C#. Under web you find two different type of web application: ASP.NET web application, .NET, and core. Core is for that when you want to run your project on the different version of OS, means Mac OS or like Linux. So then you have to use the ASP.NET Core web application. But when you are running your want to run your ASP.NET project on the .NET environment, means on Windows environment, then you have to choose this version of. When you are new to ASP.NET, then you must have to use ASP.NET web application because it comes with a simple template that uses the master pages and all those things. But if you want to create your ASP.NET project from scratch, then you have to click on website under this web, and you find ASP.NET empty website, and you can use any of the templates from here. But I prefer, as a beginner, you have to use ASP.NET web application. After that you find several things here: name, location, and solution name. Location, you can change your location by using browse button, and you can use any of the another location from the system, but this is good for me. And after that you have to give your project name, like my first ASP website. Okay. And after that, giving the name of the project, or or automatically when you give the name to your project, the solution name is the same first time, but you have to, if you want to change, you can give the solution name as solution, and you can add multiple ASP.NET website under this solution. After that you have to click on OK, and then the when you choose a web application, then another dialog will appear on the screen. From here you can choose a different type of template, like you have to use a MVC concept, then you can choose MVC or web API. When you want to create a single page web application, then you can choose single. And if you when you want to create an API on Azure, then you can use Azure. And if you choose empty, then it will come with a empty project, but basically it contains all the design or basic concept of master pages. But when you are new, you have to choose web form, then it will come with a basic some pages and master page, and when you run the application, it gives you a very good view. So after choosing the web form, you have to click on OK and wait for a moment until the Visual Studio create your very first website or project in the application. So now your ASP.NET solution is ready. Now you can go into the solution explorer, you can pin it, and you can see there are several pages are available, like content. In the content you can see some CSS is available in font, some font and script, some JavaScript is available. And here you can see our page, 2 or 3 pages is available. ASP.NET have extension .axpx. So if you come under it, you can see the master page. This is the master page when you want to design your website and you want to put some drop down or footer or header is same on the all the pages, then you have to use the master page concept. After that, so the project is ready. You just have to click on the this execute button. When you click on execute button, the project is this project will be executed and it will run in the selected browser. So here you can see the different browser is available. You can choose any of them. So I choose Internet Explorer. Then you have to click on this run button. When you click on start, this will build your project, ASP.NET project. After building the project, it will open in a Internet Explorer. Wait for it. So you are in the debugging mode. If you come back to Visual Studio, see you are in the debugging mode. And the website is running from the local host, something like localhost colon 56804. So now this is the ASP.NET project that you created, and it is come with some simple pages like home, contact, about, like that. So this is how you can create your very first ASP.NET project using Visual Studio. In later videos, I will show you how you can edit these pages and you can create your or customize this web application by your own. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Bye bye.